Hi, Dennis Duffy. Today I want to talk about a question that a client that we were dealing with, actually a law client, he had an inheritance and was looking at what to do with that inheritance, how to honor his mother and father by stewarding that money appropriately. And as we were talking about that, he wanted to have flexibility. He wanted to have the flexibility to make choices, to move money around, to select his investments. And we got into an interesting discussion because I mentioned to him that when you look at any longer period of time, the data is pretty solid. I looked at a significant mutual fund company, and their S&P fund over the last 5 years had done 5.72%. What the data tells us is the average investor does 2.82. So there's a 3% difference in just that number, and that's standard stuff that we see a lot. So what I was trying to get across to him is that loss, that failure to get the market rate of return, is a cost. It may not be a bill, it may not be a check you write, but the cost shows up over time by 1, 2, 3%, by having half as much or significantly less money available to accomplish things. So if he really wanted to steward the money to honor his parents, he needed to get some education about those things so he doesn't fall into that average investor trap, that he achieves the market rate of return. We call that 3% loss a behavior penalty. And sometimes we tell folks in a cute way, we're not dealing with people that have investing problems. We're dealing with investments that have people problems, because it's that attempt to have flexibility, to get ahead of the game, to predict or to forecast or try to time, that causes people to make those mistakes. So we want to help you understand why that's so critical to your success. We look forward to talking to you. Thanks for joining us today.